Hello my crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with a unicorn embellishment box project share. What you're looking at is this container. It's the clear plastic container that you can pick up from Dollar Tree. What I did with my box is I decided to use this spray paint. It is this brand and it's a shiny metallic finish in gold. And you will, if you want to try it, definitely take it outside and spray it outside and then let it dry completely before you decorate it. But I just thought that this was just a really fun finish and it looks really, really pretty. And then after, of course, you let it dry, you can go ahead and decorate it. So what I did was I used some cloud dyes from my stash in glitter, white glitter, and then this really pretty sequence pink paper. I think I picked up from Michael's. Used a heart die and just made a cloud scene. And then I used these two heart dies right here, and then I have a rainbow die in my stash, and it does say with love. I think it came out so pretty. And then as you can see, there's my pretty unicorn rosette that I've created using my new unicorn die. And then I added the super cute little heart sticker that you can pick up from Michael's on her cheek, and I think it came out so cute. And then I used this trim that I had recently picked up from Hobby Lobby, and I did wrap the entire box with the trim. So that is what it looks like, and I think it came out absolutely adorable. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it up so you can see what I put inside the box. And I will just go through each compartment. I'm probably not gonna take anything out, but you can pretty much see what's in here. I did buy another spool of that really pretty trim, so I included that along with a little bit of this really pretty eyelash trim. This is satin ribbon that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. I included some fun washi tape. It has unicorns on it. This is a container of all those little beads that I recently picked up from Michael's. And I also included a strand of beads. These are charms from Hobby Lobby and the little unicorns from the little knick-knack bag. And it has little rainbows in it as well. In here I included several stamped images, and what I did was I inked them, embossed them, and then cut them out with my brother's Scan and Cut. So I included a few of those along with a few die cut clouds. This has a unicorn paper clip along with gold paper clips and some really pretty brads in pastel colors. And then in here you can see I included the unicorn stickers, and I have my die cut unicorn using one of my dies, and I really love this paper I recently picked up, I think from Hobby Lobby. It's holographic stars, really pretty. And then in this last one I just included some really pretty roses just to go along with the colors that I kind of chose for this embellishment box. I think it came out really cute. I love the way it came out, and I hope the recipient likes it too. Leave a comment. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.